I want to break down how to build a personal brand in 2026, both leveraging AI, but more importantly, in spite of AI, and how you can actually prove yourself as somebody that people will want to listen to. And so I think the big thing that has to be understood in AI is that AI will not equally disrupt all creators. And so creators actually sit on this continuum. You have low risk, and then you have high risk. So how can you have a high risk creator or a low risk creator? Well, it depends on what is being asked of the consumer. So for example, if you consume a meme or you consume a stand-up comedy clip, the risk that you have is just the time that you're putting into consuming the clip, and the product of that creator is the clip itself. It's self-contained, meaning when you consume it, if you laugh, the value is already delivered. You have a complete cycle. And so these fall into the category of entertainers. And so entertainers, and I define entertainment as one thing, which is the objective of the content is to be consumed. So if you think about a perfect retention curve, if 100% of people watch 100% of a video, you would have a video that would go ultra viral, right? But there's nothing after that. It's just you consumed it, you have been entertained. So then what are the other parts on this continuum? So the next one you would have would be what I would consider a B2C educator. So what does that look like? Now, to be fair, do you have to be only one of these things? Of course not. You're going to vary along this continuum. It's not like there's a box that you're like, I'm only this or I'm only this. The different types of content you make may correspond with different parts on this continuum. And you also might even have within the same piece of content a couple elements. You might have a little joke that you say that's entertaining of itself, but then you have a point that you'll make, which might lead to something else. We have to answer the next question, which is, what's the point of education? The point of education is to change behavior, right? Like, you don't put your kid in school so that they act the same. You put their kid in school so they can start reading, or they can start writing, or they can start speaking, or they start doing math. They can change behavior, right? And so the stakes are significantly lower for a B2C educator. So imagine a girl who's doing a hair tutorial or a makeup tutorial, or a fitness thing for diet or for working out, or somebody who's giving maybe relationship advice. The reason that I say it's lower risk is that, let's say you start the diet and it doesn't work as well, it's not the end of the world, right? If you buy some lash extensions and it doesn't work as well, not the end of the world. Now, can these people drive sales? Absolutely. I mean, Huda Beauty built an empire off of just this concept, right? And the thing is that she had credibility within that domain because she could demonstrate it live, right? She actually used the product. You see a before and after in real time using the implement. You say, I'm willing to take this risk, and so you do it. Now, AI will be best suited to interrupt the stuff on this side. Why is that?